In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix BMO Bill Pay not working. Let's get started. First, make sure your internet connection is stable by switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or connecting to a stronger network. Next, double check that your payment details are correct, the biller is active, and you have enough balance available in your account to complete your transaction. If the payment still fails, log out of app completely, close it from the recent app screen, and then reopen it again and sign back in. After that, head over to App Store or Play Store. Search for the app BMO Banking. Once app appears, if you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version, as this often fixes bugs and payment issues. If none of these steps works out for you, you can contact BMO customer support to check your payment restrictions, account issues, or temporary system delays, and that's it. These are the best ways to fix bill pay not working in BMO app. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.